what's going on.
Okay.
Because you have our trace probe. And then here we have actually the cold stack. So let me just run it a bit more, and then now it's loading information. So you can really go back in time, and for example here we see
The events.
yeah, it's a lot of information here.
Can you show me the GUI design?
Yes, let me see if I have it open here. I think I don't have it installed, but we can talk with Express Logic to show how to do the graphics. Yeah, you mean.
Yes. Oh, is this easy or?
I don't have it installed here for the GUI design. We can probably go to Express Logic and ask them to show us how to fix that. Is
No?
that okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we can
Okay.
try to check that. You are staying around here, yes? Just because they have it ready. We work with them.
Where is Express? Ah, yeah, this Threadix. Okay.
IR, and I have this gentleman that would like to have a look on the GUI X, especially the GUI builder.
I will look the GUI design, how it work.
Okay.
Easy with ER. Or
So what are you using today? Do you have something like this today, a GUI package today that you're using?
I will show how it works, your systems.
Yeah.
And it's easy for development.
Yeah, I'll show you. I was just curious if you're using anything today, if you're already using something else.
Yeah, I brought them from IR, sorry.
Oh, hi.
I brought them over because we were at our group showing trace capabilities, compiler, ID. And then he's interested in a solution for GUI X. Sure. So he was more interested how the GUI builder looks, how it works. Sure.
It's easy or
Yeah, I can show you.
simple demonstration we can show.
Yeah, absolutely.
I will be happy.
Two questions that came up was, for example, use ST with GUI X. So for example, as you know, Renesas Synergy that includes it in the package, for example. So he was having really trying to feeling what would be better, because of the matter of price, how many units they will produce later.
Yeah. Well, the economic decision is really going to fall back on you. I mean, it's the exact same software.
Yes.
So when you buy Renesas,
This is a Synergy.
yeah, that's Synergy. I ran out of USB ports, but when you buy Synergy and get GUI X, it's exactly the same GUI X as if you buy ST. Here's an ST.
This is ST.
Yeah, this is STM 32F439.
M7.
Yes. This has the DMA 2D graphics accelerator.
Yes.
Yeah. So it gives you a nice performance because the graphics accelerator makes it scroll smoothly. Whoops.
Have this Synergy not this filters, graphic accelerator?
Yeah, that has the TESS IP.
Is it different?
It's different accelerator, yes. But we leverage that just as well as we leverage this. So
Which is better? The performance.
I don't want to say one's better. They do different things. So the TESS graphics accelerator can draw like graphics primitives, like arcs, circle, polygon,
Yes.
and hardware.
Hardware, huh?
Yeah. The ChromArt accelerator cannot do those primitives in hardware, but the ChromArt accelerator works. I don't know how to say it. It works more in parallel with our software, so we get good performance out of ChromArt as well.
Okay.
So on ChromArt, we use the ChromArt accelerator to draw our glyph data.
Yes.
We use the ChromArt accelerator to draw filled rectangles.
Yeah.
We use the ChromArt accelerator when we do our buffer toggling.
It's
'cause we
buffer,
run double buffer.
Yes.
And to draw background images. So when this gauge is
This is another buffer. They'll come direct.
yeah, well, when we move the needle, we first have to erase where the needle was previously, right? And and then we'd redraw the needle in the new position.
Yes.
So to erase where the needle was previously, we draw a little section of that background bitmap,
Yep.
and the Chromart accelerator does that drawing for us. While that drawing's happening, our software's rotating that needle to a new position, and
Yes.
then it's ready to draw. So they work in parallel. And
Oh.
it works pretty well. They both work well. I don't want the Synergy accelerator works well also.
Okay.
And of
Can,
course, you get all our software for free if you use Synergy. So
Yes.
that's always a plus. You know?
We are
Can-
not allowed to say free. It's
Oh, okay.
included in the package. yeah.
All right, include it in the package.
Because
Okay.
you pay more for the device, but
Sure,
it's
sure.
just a balance on
can you
just feeding in.
show me a simple
Yeah.
demo for?
Exactly. Absolutely.
There's one thing, I have a meeting at 4,
Huh?
so I need to go over
Okay.
to the other place. But I leave
Yeah,
this gentleman.
thank you.
I just would like to give you my business.
Okay.
Do you have a business card?
Yes,
maybe? So,
I give my business card.
and later, after 4, you can of course come back.
Yes.
And at 18, at 6 o'clock,
Yes.
we have a booth party actually. So
Okay.
you're welcome to join us. You too. Our
Alright.
booth party
Alright,
at 6. You will also
Very good.
welcome
Okay.
to invite others. So
Okay,
at
I
6,
come.
When it
I
closes,
think-
you can come over to our booth
I think
party.
word has traveled here that we were invited. Word has already spread among the Express Logic
of
that
course,
we're
we're all invited.
Yeah.
And you're also welcome. At
Okay.
6, you come by and then we can talk about it.
Okay,
I
yes.
just need to go for my meeting. Otherwise, yeah.
Okay,
Thanks.
thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So let me show you how you use the tool. So there's a runtime library that runs on your target, right?
Yes.
It's just C code. So this is the
Is
same
it-
application.
Atmel.
Yeah, it's a ARM Cortex M4, I believe.
No microchip.
Yeah, but it's a SAM-A5D2. That's their ARM line.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
This is very. This DDR RAM is included in this chip.
No. If you go use this architecture, you have to license GUIX separately.
I don't know. I for DDR2 RAMs are included in the chip.
Oh, that I don't know for sure. I don't remember the architecture as well as you
Yes.
might. Yeah. So let me show you how we use this tool. So
Okay.
this is our WYSIWYG screen design tool. Okay.
Yes.
So all you do, let's just make a new screen. So we say main display.
For this project, this board, you make this.
It would take me a long time to make that whole thing from scratch,
Yes.
but I'll show you how you do these things.
Okay.
So like, you see down here the cold, the hot.
Yes.
So those are widgets. So we have a widget library.
Yes.
So you can just click on the widget and move it where you want it.
Okay.
You can change the font.
And this is design of
Yeah.
the event.
Oh, that font doesn't have shoot.
Control Z not work.
Yeah, it does. There you go. Oh, there you go. So let's use a different font. Sometimes our fonts, you can specify when you create a font what character set it includes. So the font that I applied to that widget only includes the numeric characters. That's why you couldn't see the text anymore when I saw.
Okay.
So let's use a different font. Let's use this font, drag it. My mouse isn't very good here. Okay, there we go.
Direct. Okay.
So that's select in. Okay. So you just move things where you want them. You can set their properties. You can,
How work the events?
So the events are generated by the widgets when the user operates the control. So, for example,
I make this scroll event. How it's work? It's
so the way that works is, if I touch here, and the widget moves the wheel.
scrolling.
Yeah. So this widget creates an event and sends it to your application to say the value has changed.
And this make automatically backside. You are not control this event. This make
It happens automatically when you click on that button. Let's click on a button.
yes.
So I clicked on the button. The button generated an event to the application to say they clicked on this button. Let me show you. So let me show you an example. So I move this slider up and down, right?
Yes.
So what's happening, and see how the text up here changes when I move the slider?
Yes.
Okay, So this slider is sending an event to me, to my application, to say that the slider value's been changed.
Okay.
So I catch that event in my application, and I change the string that's displayed there.
Yes.
And let me show you that.
Yes. Can you show me in the code?
Yes. Medical, there it is. So we call this our medical demo because it has this heartbeat waveform
Okay.
screen.
Yes. Good.
But this screen is called the medication screen. So the code for that screen is here, medications.c. So we write an event handler, medication screen event handler, and here's the different events that it's watching for. Okay?
Which event are coming?
So in this case, it's this one. A signal from a slider that the slider value has changed. Okay, so
Slider is this.
yes, yeah. So
Slider 1 is
yeah, that's probably this one here.
this slider 1.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Slider 1, 2, 3, 4.
And
So slider 1, slider 2, slider 3. Okay. So when we get that event, the payload of the event contains the new slider value.
this new value is here.
Yeah, the new value is here. So we wrote a little function called update prompt, and that's what changes the text here. An update prompt is right up here. So we convert the value to a string. Use L to A to convert the value to a string.
Long to ASCII.
Yes.